education for 1,700 days.
How do we characterize philosophy? Philosophy can be characterized by its distinctive features, methods, and areas of inquiry. Here are the key aspects that help in characterizing philosophy. Fundamental questions. Philosophy seeks to explore and answer fundamental questions about existence, knowledge, values, reason, mind, and language. These questions often lack straightforward answers and require deep contemplation and analysis. Examples: what is the nature of reality? What can we know for certain? What is the right way to live? Critical and systematic approach. Philosophers use a critical and systematic approach to analyze arguments and beliefs. This involves rigorous reasoning, logical analysis, and the evaluation of evidence and assumptions. Examples: examining the logical structure of arguments to identify fallacies. Systematically questioning the foundations of knowledge, known as epistemology. Abstract and conceptual nature. Philosophical inquiry often deals with abstract and conceptual issues that are not easily addressed by empirical methods alone. This involves exploring ideas and concepts that underlie our understanding of the world. Examples: the concept of justice and its implications, the nature of consciousness and personal identity. Interdisciplinary connections. Philosophy intersects with various other disciplines such as science, religion, art, and politics. It often provides a foundational framework for understanding and addressing issues in these fields. For example, the philosophy of science examines the assumptions and implications of scientific theories. Political philosophy explores the principles of justice, rights, and governance. Normative and prescriptive aspects. Philosophy often involves normative and prescriptive aspects, seeking to understand and establish principles of right and wrong, good and bad, and what ought to be done. Examples include ethical theories that prescribe how we should act, like utilitarianism and deontology. Additionally, aesthetic theories explore the nature of beauty and artistic value. Historical development. Philosophy has a rich historical development, with ideas and arguments evolving over centuries. Understanding the history of philosophy involves engaging with the thoughts and works of past philosophers. For example, the influence of ancient Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle, and the development of modern philosophy through thinkers like Descartes, Kant, and Nietzsche. Dialogical and debative nature. Philosophy often progresses through dialogue and debate, with philosophers engaging with each other's ideas, critiquing and building upon them. This process fosters a dynamic and evolving discourse. Think of Socratic dialogues where questioning and discussion lead to deeper understanding, or contemporary philosophical debates on topics like artificial intelligence and ethics, reflective and self-critical. Philosophy encourages reflective and self-critical thinking, requiring individuals to examine their own beliefs and the reasons behind them. This reflective nature is crucial for personal and intellectual growth. For instance, reflecting on one's own ethical beliefs and practices, or critically assessing one's own worldview and its implications. These characteristics collectively help to define the nature and scope of philosophy, distinguishing it from other fields of inquiry and emphasizing its unique contributions to human thought and understanding.